So there we go, guys. Hello and welcome from Brisbane. I just came to a local market where I could see like all of the chickens. You'll see some chickens, you'll see some parrots, some beautiful parrots, a lot of beautiful and delicious vegetables and fruits to be seen here. I couldn't have come here without the help of my cousin. He drove us, him and his family, they drove me here. We're gonna just look around, buy some fruits, buy some vegetables, and I don't know what's... yeah, we bought some fish as well. I don't know what's gonna happen next, so let's just see. Oh wow. Oh, it's so cute. What? Wow. Hey chick. What's up? So yeah, decided to try some delicious bratwurst. I'm not gonna be able to finish the whole one, but halfsies, sure. So we just visited the game store. I haven't been in one in ages. It's... So my cousin, he feeds the birds in his backyard, and those are real parrots. How cool is that? What are you, bird? I just love it when random birds come across my way. Hey, hello from a tropical island. No, it's actually Brisbane. I just found another fake beach / lagoon. It seems like Australians are really good at this. Look, they even have the fake sand. I mean, how cool is this, right? But seems like some people are enjoying the lagoon anyway, because it's a sunny and beautiful day, although it's kind of cold. It's only like 23 degrees. You see over there, some people are sunbathing. Well, I won't join them today because seagulls look aggressive. Look at them. Damn, darn seagulls. On the other side, there's a beautiful skyline of Brisbane's skyscrapers. Let me just show you that for a sec. And other than that, I have some exploring to do around the city. But honestly, I have no idea where I'm going next. I am not going to swim though. They do look smart birds. I think it's kind of cool. You can just like walk around, and it's almost an artificial rainforest in the middle of the city, right next to the river over there, and the skyscrapers over there. How cool is that? Like, look, beautiful pond, and it even looks tropical. Whoa, I see something else. Looks like a super cool mixture of old, basically, and new behind me, right? You can go also to the Ferris wheel, the beautiful one. I didn't go because it's like $22. Also looks like there's some kind of a food and wine festival going on here in Brisbane. I just want to know, where is it? But it's like going through a fairy tale around here. A great place to have a wedding, I guess. There is just something fascinating about these birds here in Australia. What's up, brother? Back in the suburbs, going back to my cousins. Brisbane's a lovely city to just walk around. I didn't do much, if I'm completely honest. I just walked around, chilled a lot, read some books. Generally just enjoy the sunshine. I guess my forehead is kind of burnt. So what I'm gonna do these days, basically I'm leaving to the Philippines. I'm going from Gold Coast tomorrow morning. Got a 6 a.m. train, and afterwards, honestly, I don't know, going to island of Palawan. Everyone said get the hell out of Manila as soon as possible, and since many people told me the same thing, I'm gonna follow their advice. After the Philippines, then there's Malaysia, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. We'll see.